The second level is to have a steady plan. Remember, I didn't say timetable. Timetable is where you say, oh, Monday from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m., I have financial reporting. Tuesday from 9 p.m. to 11 p.m., I have public sector. Oh, Thursday from 3 a.m. to 5 a.m., I have management accounting. That is timetable. What I'm saying is that you need to have a steady plan. A steady plan is that which helps you to break down the syllabus into pieces so that every session you know exactly what you're supposed to do. Now, you can check out a video on our YouTube channel. We're going to be leaving the video as well in the description of this video and the comment section, and you can watch on how you prepare a study plan. So you break down the syllabus in respect of the subject you are writing into the key topical and thematic areas, and at every session you pick the book, you know exactly what you're supposed to do. That is a study plan. Because sometimes you are unprepared, you want to study, right? But you pick the book and you don't know where to study. Because yeah, you have public sector. Okay, so what in public sector should you study? Then now you are thinking, okay, should you study some of the IPSAs? Should you do evaluation of financial statement? Or should you do preparation of financial statement? Should you do conceptual framework and regulatory framework? Should you do PIFA and budgeting? You really don't know. But you need to have a study plan. That is the second thing.